know?
I do.
Okay, I'll tell you. Our friends at Rugged make this billet aluminum third brake light, center brake light. Put these KC Cyclones on there, and then say this could be your brake light. And then the two outers could be your amber lights. Or, if you want to get clever, this could be your brake light, this could be your amber light, and then maybe you could hook this up to be like a floodlight almost, like a cargo light. But the way I'm wiring it today is brake light, amber, amber. Here I got the business end. I've made a little harness with a Deutsch connector on it. Left the stock KC connectors on. There's a lot going on here. So that if you ever need to replace one, or if you want to swap it out with a different color, there you go, you just plug and play.
It's an expensive parts table, huh?
Yeah, basically.
Oh.
I think that's how that goes. I could be wrong.
Just like that, huh?
Yep. Out with the old, in with the new. It's my power probe.
Yeah.
Never probe anything without it.
Oh, hey Cameron, where'd you come from?
You know.
Oh, okay.
Just around.
Hey, Chance, can you turn the ignition on?
Yeah.
Please? Cool, thank you. That one's the amber one. Will you hit the brakes, please?
Brakes.
Cool, thank you. Alan's brakes. The third one must be a ground.
So do you think this is going to be a universal thing?
Yeah, it could be universal. Even if you don't have Deutsch tool and connectors and stuff, you could just take the end of a KC Cyclone harness and you could strip this and put a butt connector on it and crimp it, and it's just as good. They use Deutsches on the space shuttle, so here at Factory BS we got to use Deutsches. So let me strip these, put connectors on them. Thank you. A little bit of grease on the end. One. A is amber. And B is brakes. Okay. Just like that, we're styling. That one's a brake light. These two are the amber lights. If we were really cool and fancy, they have like heat shrink that you could print words on. But we don't have that. Is amber orange or yellow?
Isn't amber a material?
It's like mineral. A fossilized...
Sap?
Fossilized sap, yeah.
Not really what it is?
I believe so.
Hey Ryan.
Hey.
What's up, Ryan?
Sorry.
Cool, so now we get the lights, bolt them on here, plug them in.
What size bolts are you using to hold those baddies in?
These are 1/4-20s, button heads. Only the best. There you have it. We've got these lenses to cover up. Ambers. This one will be the red one. Okay, moment of truth. You want to hand me those screws? Came back with those lenses we were talking about.
Nice. Right.
Before we go and install these lenses, let's test it and make sure that it's working. And that way, you know, that way we don't have to swap lenses around. And, all right, don't look. Okay. Whoa. Okay. Now to put the lenses on. We're good, thank you. Thank you, Chance.
No problem.
One amber. Okay, let's test it again. Brake, please. Look at that. You could actually look at it. I'll try the amber one. Here we go. Whoa.
Those KCs are bright.
They are. And that concludes tutorial and installation of the third brake light. The third brake light is made by Rugged Radios. You can find this at factorybsstore.com.